deal with what happens when you have a remainder and you want to leave the answer as a fraction. So let's say I was going to do 58 divided by 8. 8 into 5 doesn't go. 8 into 58 goes 7 times, remainder 2. But it's no longer time to leave answers with remainders like this. That's a little bit for the kind of people who are just starting out learning how to divide. We have more sophisticated ways, and in this case we're going to learn to leave our answer as a fraction. So if you're trying to do 58 divided by 8 and you get 7 remainder 2, well, that 2 we still really want to try and chop up into 8 pieces. We still want to somehow do 2 divided by 8, and that way we would then have 7 wholes and whatever 2 divided by 8 is. Okay, well, another way to write 2 divided by 8 is to write 2 over 8. It means the same thing. So 7 and 2/8. So the answer is 7 and 2/8. Now it might seem like I've just done some weird fancy thing over here that's really complicated. I'm never going to be able to remember it again. However, it's not so difficult. What happened? Let's rewind. We got to 7 remainder 2. Instead of writing remainder 2 this time, I'm going to put the remainder, write it a little bit higher up here, write a fraction line, and then whatever this number over here is, that's the number that's going to be at the bottom of the fraction. Whatever the number that you're dividing by is the number that you get at the bottom of the fraction. Let's make it green. There we go. 7 and 2/8. Would probably help if I did another example, right? Okay. Over here. Let's try 37 divided by 4. 4 into 3 doesn't go. 4 into 37 goes 9 times, remainder 1. Oh, no, wait, we said we weren't going to write remainders anymore. So what do? We pop the remainder up here, fraction line, and then this number over here becomes the denominator, 9 1/4. Getting this? Okay, one last example. 127 divided by 5. 5 into 1 doesn't go. 5 into 12 goes 2 times, remainder 2. 5 into 27 goes 5 times, remainder 2. So what do I do with the remainder? Pop it up the top, fraction line, and then bring the number that we were dividing over here. And so the answer is 25 2/5. And why does that work? Why is that not just some kind of weird hocus pocus magic trick? Because remember, the remainder we are still needing to try and divide by 5. So this is 2 divided by 5. We're still trying to divide it, and that's the shortest way we can write 2 divided by 5. We can write it as a fraction, 2 over 5. Okay, there is another video that you can watch which is about leaving remainders as decimals. Click the button, the bubble that's just appeared now, to watch that video. Thanks for watching. Bye.